Hey there, I'm Alina Z, vegan chef and health coach, and today I'm sharing my Z tips for low-fat fajitas. Z tip number 1, instead of high-fat meat, we are going to use portobello mushrooms. They're meaty, they have fantastic texture, and they're low-fat and low-calorie. Z tip number 2, we are going to use fajita mix instead of a lot of oil, about a half a tablespoon, and we're going to combine it with some water so that we will have all the flavor without all the fat. And I will use about a teaspoon of olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil, and this is in a dark container, so the olive oil actually stays good. So about a teaspoon. And then my Z tip number 3 will be using low-fat vegan cheese to melt over the fajitas. So all I'm going to do is put my portobello mushrooms with standard fajita fixings like onions, peppers. I have red peppers and green peppers, and we're just going to saute them on the pan, and then we'll make our fajitas. So let's see how we do that. Now that we sauteed our onions with portobello mushrooms, we'll see that they are becoming a little translucent, and we know they're ready to eat. All right, so now we have our fajitas ready to put together. And I already pre-melted some cheese. I like to use vegan cheese because it's lower in fat, there's no cholesterol, and this one doesn't have any soy in it. So this is really good cheese actually. And I pre-melted, like I said, on my fajita. I'm using gluten-free, so we don't have many allergens. And we have these beautiful veggies, low fat and full of flavor. And they smell so good. Oh my gosh. All you have to do is just wrap them up like this and eat. And I'm going just to make a little bite to test it out. Oh my god, so good. You gotta taste it to believe it. Try it for yourself. You will enjoy these low-fat fajitas, and cheers to your health.